Okay, it's the 26th of February in the evening. We're looking ahead here with some rain moving in tomorrow. Not a steady rain, not enough to wash out the day tomorrow. The actual cold front itself comes through on Wednesday. What will kind of go through it, this is this evening. A little shower to the south kind of burns out as it goes along. Then this is tomorrow morning. This is around 11 o'clock in the morning. You could see no, this is about, what's this, 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm sorry. You can see Pittsburgh get some rain. You got some showers and a few heavier ones moving across the state. This is around 4 in the afternoon. And it moves to the east and it gets to Philadelphia and in North Jersey and the eastern parts of Jersey, the eastern part of the Poconos, and then down towards Allentown, Reading, and Harrisburg, and York. It's raining. This is around 6 o'clock, and then it moves off here. This is around 8 o'clock, still raining, and it kind of moves away as we get to around 3, around noon, or around midnight, noon, yeah, right, my fault. Yeah, around midnight Tuesday night. And then it kind of just a couple of showers, and then we can see, if you look to the west, you can see the actual cold front start to come into sight here. This is around 1 o'clock on Wednesday. Again, no washout in the east early in the day. Here's your actual cold front. You can see behind it, not too far behind, temperatures drop, and then it becomes frozen precipitation. This is around 2 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Here's your frontal boundary here. There could be a couple thunderstorms with this, and it changes to freezing rain and then eventually snow back here. If we look at the temperatures, you can see why the temperatures drop really fast. If I can get this to work, there's your actual front, well defined on the map. 60s to the east, 60s and almost all the way out here towards State College and out that way. And then right behind there, here's northeast Ohio, and temperatures below freezing already. I mean, from one side of the front, literally, 20-degree drop in temperatures. So it's a well-defined front as it goes across the state. We move back to the map here, and then you can see it cutting across the state. We'll move it ahead here. This is around 5 o'clock in the afternoon. You can see it's changed to snow out in the western part of the state. Here's that frontal boundary here. I expect it to be stronger than it shows on the map here. That freezing precipitation in between the snow and the rain is kind of fading out, except in the northern part of the state. You can see now the temperatures have dropped. Let's see if I can make this really work. And here you go. You can see how it's dropped across the strait. Very well defined. 20s out here in northwestern PA, 60s in southwestern PA. Big gradient across the state. That's why thunderstorms quite possible in between here, and some heavier downpours as it goes across the state. And then eventually it clears the state into Wednesday night. This is around midnight. And it's on Jersey. It's just going to clear the coast probably within the hour. You can see at this point in time, temperatures have dropped, and here's basically your front. It's pushed to 50s almost to the coast, and it's all low 20s out here in western PA to 50s out here. So it's a 30-degree difference across here. And you can see even Philadelphia, you were basking in the 60s, you're now down in the low 40s, and then that clears. I still holding on to my storm at the middle of the month, and I'll show you what's still on the radar. Okay, what I want to show you is this is St. Patrick's Day, the 17th. And you can see there's a low pressure system over Tennessee with some snow ahead of it. And it stays to Pennsylvania south because colder air is in place. And then it goes off the coast and it actually gets pretty strong. That's a 997 millibars. But that one kind of goes off. It hangs around a little bit. It deepens and goes away. So that's your first attempt at snow right at St. Patrick's Day itself. Then shortly after that, this is the night of the 19th. You got another low. This one's a little further north over Kentucky. This one's going to go under Pennsylvania again and off the coast. And then behind that one, we move ahead. This is the 21st at night. You have another one a little further south with some snow out over Pennsylvania. And then as we move ahead in time here, you have another low. This one's around the 24th. It's a double barrel. It's got one cutting through the lakes and another one off the coast. All depends on who wins. But eventually that one goes off, and right now it shows the stronger one cutting through the lakes. And remember, this is around the 24th and 25th of March, and then we kind of get out of it. And I think you're going to start seeing them begin to cut after that up this way. They'll deepen and cut, and then behind it you'll pull in cold air, and then it warms back up again. That's what I think. Okay, that's kind of a quick synopsis of what's going on. Everybody take care out there and drive safe in the rain.